Hello everyone, welcome to JavaScript tutorial for beginners to advanced. In this tutorial we are going to talk about DOM in JavaScript. So what is DOM? DOM means document object model. So using document function we can get the element from the HTML, and using JavaScript document function we can remove or change that element. So let me just show you with example. So inside the body let's just mention h1 tag and let's say here hello JavaScript. And right now what we'll do is that we want to get this hello JavaScript inside the JavaScript. So here for it what we need to do is that we need to mention the document function. We'll say over here document dot get, E will be capital, element B will be capital and I will be capital. And here this is case sensitive. If you make any spelling mistake over here it will not work. So right now we'll give 2 first bracket and 2 double quotation or single quotation. So here what we are doing is that we mention over here document dot get element by id. It means we want to get a element by id. So over here if you want to get this element we need to mention over here id. So let's say over here id it will be greeting. And here if we just mention this id greeting, over here we will be able to get this inside this document.get element by id. So right now if we save this, then if we just go to our browser, then if we refresh, here you can see hello JavaScript. So how can we understand that we are able to get the hello JavaScript text inside this document.get element by id? So for it what we will do is that we'll just right click on our browser, then click inspect option, then we'll go to the console option, and inside this console what we are going to do is that we'll just copy this document.get element by id greeting and we'll just paste it over here. And if you just press enter, here you can see hello JavaScript. We are able to get this element. So right now let's say using JavaScript we want to change this HTML text, so we can do that as well. So here after this what we will do is that we will give a dot and we are going to say over here inner HTML equal to double quotation, and here we will say by. So here what it will do is that it will change this id greetings inner HTML to by. So here you can see hello JavaScript will be replaced by. So right now if we now save it, then if we just refresh here you can see by, not hello JavaScript. So we can just write this in a better manner. So let me just show you. Let me just replace this over here and let's just declare a variable var test equal to document.get element by id. Then after this we are going to say over here test dot inner HTML equal to, we can say by 2 or anything. So this will work as well. So right now let's save this, and if we now refresh here we can see by 2. So basically what we are doing is that we are storing this document.get element by id greeting inside this test, and then we are saying test dot inner HTML equal to by 2. So it will basically replace this hello JavaScript with by 2. So right now let's say we have one more tag over here and the same h1 tag. You can mention p tag as well, and let's say over here greeting 2 and we'll say hello JavaScript part 2. And right now let's say we want to get the element not by id but by tag. Tag means this h1 tag, p tag, anchor tag, anything. So we want to get the element by tag. So for it what we have to do is that, okay, let's just keep it the way it is, and let me just remove this part, and here you can see document.get element. So here instead of document.get element we are going to say elements. We need to say elements since we have multiple tag, and here we say doc elements by tag name. and after this, which tag we want to use? We want to use the h on tag. So here we are going to say h on, and here we have multiple h on tags, so we need to mention the index number over here. So index number will be 0. Even if you have single h on tag, you still need to mention the index number for tag name. And after this, we can say over here inner HTML anything. Let's just say over here inner HTML equal to, we are going to say by tag. So basically it will change the first on element to by tag. So right now if we save it and then refresh here you can see by tag. And if you want to change the element name by class name, we can do that as well. So let's say over here instead of id we can say over here class, and then since we want to get the element by class, so here what we need to do is that, okay, let me just copy this and paste it here. Let's just remove var text, that's not required. So here we say get elements, there will be s by, it will be class name, and here inside this we need to mention the class name, which is greeting2, and here we'll mention greeting2. And for class name we also require to mention the index number as well, and let's say over here by class name. So right now this should replace this on hello JavaScript part 2. So right now if we save it then refresh, here you can see by tag by class name. So basically in this tutorial I showed you how you can select a specific HTML elements in JavaScript and how we can replace them. So in the next tutorial we will probably see how we can change certain things on button click using JavaScript. So this is all about this tutorial. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure to subscribe this channel and I'll see you in the next tutorial.